Hello, my name is Daniel and today we will work together on tutorial number 3. All the information needed to construct the design are mentioned in the description of the video, so let's get started. Click File, New, select Part in the menu. Rename it Tutorial 03. Click OK. Hide the planes. Insert Body. Right click. Properties. Feature Properties. Tutorial 03. So we rename the body that we will work on. Insert another body. Define it by right clicking it. Click Sketch. Select the plane. Now what we want to do is to construct the outside contour of our design. So we will start by making the corners. As we can see, the corners are some circle design. So we are constructing the first circle. The radius of the circle is 25. We will select mirror, click the circle, click horizontal. Now by holding Ctrl, select both of the constructions, click mirror again, select vertical axis. So now we constructed the corners. Next, we have to construct the lines that unite the corners. These are tangent lines to the circles, so we're gonna select first this circle, select the circle, second circle. As you can see, we can move them. So by holding Ctrl on the point of the line and clicking this circle, we select this option and we select coincidence. That means the point is stuck to the design of the circle. We click OK, so we can move it also. Now we have to make it tangent. We select the line, we select the circle, we click the same option, we select tangency. As you can see, in both directions the tangency is represented with two parallel lines, the green ones, as we can see in the video. Now we select the line, we select mirror, we select horizontal. We will do the same thing in this area. Select line. Now we are doing the vertical one. We click on the point, we click on the circle, we click on this option, we click coincidence. Here we click the same on the point, on the circle, by holding Ctrl, we click on this option, coincidence. Now by holding Ctrl on the line and clicking on the circle, they are both orange, so they are both selected. Same option, tangency. As we can see here, it's represented that they are tangent. The same, click on the line, by holding Ctrl, click on the circle. They are both orange, so they are selected. Click on this option, tangency. Now click on the line, select the option mirror, select the vertical axis. So now we have the contour of our design. Now we need to constrain the contour to the axis system. So we will start with the lines. Select the line from this distance until vertical. This one it's mirrored, so it will have the same measurement. If we are changing this one will change also. And click on the line on the top and on the horizontal axis. As you can see, everything is green, so they are all constrained. Now we're gonna click on this dimension to select the measurement. Actually, we will do it differently. We will select the point of the circle and the horizontal axis. And here we will select this point of the circle and the vertical axis. Okay. So this dimension should be 100 divided by 2, so 50. And this dimension should be 130 divided by 2, so 65. So this is the exterior design. Now we need only this contour, so we're gonna double click quick trim, and we're gonna delete what we are not using. So this, and this. So now we have the exterior contour. We exit the sketch, we update, double click on the body, click on pad, click on the sketch, select the dimension, for example 10 millimeters. So this is our 3D design for the contour. Define on tutorial number 3, right click body 3, go to this option, go to add, click OK. So now our design was added in tutorial body number 3. Now insert body, and now we're going to design the holes of the construction. Define this work in work object, this body. Click on sketch, or actually we can do it differently. We double click body 3, and we're going to copy the same sketch, and we're going to paste it here, so we're going to work faster on this design. We double click the sketch number 2, and as you can see, it's the same sketch as the first one that we designed. We click this option, low light, in order for us not to be able to click the 3D part that is in the background. Now we're gonna hold control, click on the construction lines that we did and circles, and we're gonna select all of them. Now we're gonna click this option, construction standard element, and we did everything pointed. That means this design won't show up in the 3D. We're gonna use it only as a guidance for us. So we're gonna select circle, and we're gonna do the exterior, the corner circles, holes. Click circle, select the same point because the dimensions are in the same place. Click again this option, or deselect it, in order for us to have the circles proper. Select the circles, select the constraint, and we need to put a dimension to the circles. The circles dimensions are radius 10. Now we're gonna select mirror, click the circle, click horizontal axis, hold control, select both of the circles, click mirror, click vertical axis. So now we did the holes for lateral. Now we need to do the holes, actually the design hole in the middle of the part. So we're gonna start by constructing the middle, that is a circle. We're gonna constrain it. Diameter of 75, as we can see in the drawing. 75. Now we're gonna construct the lateral circle. Constrain it, radius 10. Okay. Position the circle in our design. It's okay, 65. Now, as you can see, we have two tangent lines to this circle, and they are united with this circle. So we're gonna construct them. You can put them, you can zoom in, and you can put them wherever you want. You can put them actually like this. Now, as we can see in the drawing, the lines are horizontal. So we're gonna right click the line, go to this option and click horizontal. The horizontal line is represented by H. Now we're gonna click the point. By holding control, we're gonna click the circle. We selected both of them. We're gonna go to this option. We're gonna click coincidence. We're gonna do the same thing with this line also. Or actually we can delete this line and we're gonna use mirror. Select this point. Select the circle. Select this option. Coincidence. Now we need to be sure that we are tangent. Click the line. By holding control, click the circle. Click this option. Click tangency. And click OK. Now we're gonna mirror this line to the horizontal axis. As you can see, we design it. We're gonna click on trim, quick trim. Click on this circle that we don't need. Click trim. Click on this that we don't need also. Now by holding control, click on the line, the second line, and the circle. Click mirror and click on vertical axis. And we represent it on the other side also. Click the quick trim. Click on the circle. So our first design is done. Now we need to do the small design that is on top of our part and in the bottom. So we're gonna select this option, profile, construct a small profile. Doesn't matter how you do it, or it just needs to look the same because we're gonna design it afterwards. These lines, obviously they are vertical, so we're gonna click on this option and vertical. This line is horizontal. You can do the same thing by clicking right click on the line, go to this option and horizontal. You don't need to go to constraint define in dialog box. Now we need to constrain this design. We're gonna click constrain. We have 20 millimeters here. Through the middle of the part and this line, between them, actually not through, we have 10 millimeters because it's half of the dimension. And from this line to this circle, actually we're gonna do it like this. We're gonna delete what we don't need, like this. And we're gonna select this dimension, 10 millimeters. Now, by holding control, click on the lines, click mirror, click on horizontal. We did the opposite construction. Click on quick trim, select this line. So now we did all the profiles that we needed. Now we need to remove this material from our original part. So we're gonna click pad, we're gonna click the sketch. We're gonna make the pad bigger than our original profile so it can remove the plastic. We're gonna select here 15 millimeters and here 15 millimeters also. We click OK. As you can see, it is bigger. We're gonna define a tutorial 03. We're gonna right click body 4, go to this option and remove the material from the original construction. We click OK, and this is the profile that we are doing today. We're gonna click update to be sure that everything is okay. We're gonna click on isometric view, arrange the part on the screen, click on tutorial, choose a nice color, and this is the profile for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching and staying with me. You can leave a comment if you didn't understand anything from this design, but I think you guys understood. It's a very simple design. I will try to keep up with your comments and respond to everybody. So for the moment, this is all. Thank you very much. Subscribe and bye bye. Hello guys, thank you for watching my content. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check my latest videos. See you soon, goodbye.